Welcome to Create with Sade, where we bring to you DIY craft tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And welcome back if you've already subscribed to our channel. Hey guys, so today we're going to go over how to make a 3D pillow with a 15 by 15 heat press. And this is going to be a learning edition for the kids. So I'm going to start by pressing out my pillow. So pre-pressing it to get any wrinkles out. So I'm going to do that for 25 seconds. And here's my printed sublimation design that I did with my Epson F570 printer. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the edges out. Next, I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut this out in half. So this is going to be a lot easier when pressing, so you won't have any ghosting. So as you can see, I'm just cutting it out through the middle. Then I'm going to grab that piece and I'm going to cut that piece in half and do the same for this other piece here. I'm going to grab my first piece. I'm going to go ahead and place it down on the left hand corner. And then I'm going to grab some heat resistant tape and put that on, pressing for 385, 60 seconds. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and remove that sublimation paper to let you guys see how well it pressed. So this is part 1 of 4 of pressing this pillow. So what I'm going to do is turn this butcher paper over so the ink that's on the bottom won't get on the back of my pillow. It's time to grab our second piece. Go ahead and lay that down again. Then I'm going to get that heat resistance tape and tape on the edges to keep this in place while I'm pressing. Again, we're going to press this for 385, 60 seconds. What we're going to do for these next 2 bottom pieces is the same thing, which is we're going to place our piece on there. We're going to put our heat resistant tape on, and then we're going to press for 385 degrees, 60 seconds. Once you have finished pressing everything, you want to get you either some filler or a pillow that already has filler in it. And so I use this Crafter's Choice from Walmart. They're 18 inches. And I just go ahead and place this into my pillow. Here is the finished product of the Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse 3D learning pillow using a 15 by 15 heat press. Until next time when we bring our next DIY tutorial to you guys.